Right now, we're looking at a dense fog advisory for Glades, Hendry, and Collier County until 9 o'clock this morning, as visibility could be less than a half a mile in some spots. And as we look at the numbers right now, we are getting down near zero for Moorhaven, Clewiston. Along State Road 29, we're between 3/4 of a mile and a mile. Looking good along the coastline for now, but we do expect this fog to spread a little bit and then mix out between 9 and 10 a.m. As far as the radar, we are dry, so it'll be the fog that it really impacts the morning commute. All the showers we have so far are way down to the west of the Florida Keys. So with dry conditions, let's talk about our temperatures. We are in the low 60s, which is slightly cooler than yesterday, but still above our average of 56 for this date. As we are now in our first full day of winter, our dew point values still feel like early fall as we're up there in the 60s, and that moisture is going to help fuel some showers later on today. Calm winds, high humidity. That's why that fog is going to be an issue here early. We will see that wind pick up near 10 miles per hour later on this afternoon. After a foggy start, we'll go up to 79 degrees. We'll see the clouds increase later on. We should be dry around sunset, which is 5:40, and you can see those averages 77.56. Record high on this date going back to 1956 is 86 degrees. And boy, the rest of the country would like some of that warmth. You can clearly see where the front's at right now. Just north of Chicago, it's at the freezing mark there in the northern parts of Illinois. -15 Rapid City, -13 in Denver. Those are actual air temperatures, not the wind chill values, which are forecast today to be -50 to -70 degrees. A historically cold storm, and this is going to be more about the frigid and dangerous temperatures really than it will be the snow, even though we've got some of that between Omaha, Kansas City. There will be blizzard-like conditions in parts of Michigan, and out ahead of it, we've got some snow turning over to a freezing mix and rain around the nation's capital. For us, the timing of all this puts moisture in play overnight tonight. Most of the rain here by sunset will be north. It'll be more midnight-ish between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m. where we'll see a few showers. Then here comes that fast-moving line tomorrow. That's the cold front. That's when our temperatures really begin to drop. So as we kind of detail out today, we'll see a mix of sun and clouds throughout the evening. 10 o'clock, we'll start to see some showers north. They'll move through 10 to 2 a.m. And then watch what happens here on Friday. There's the front between 10 a.m. and noon. What that's going to do is usher in that really Arctic cold air, and that's going to be around here for Christmas Eve, Christmas Day, as most of the eastern seaboard stays locked down and cold. We're going to wake up Christmas morning around 36 degrees. It'll be our coldest since 1995, some 20 degrees below our average. And as far as the 7-day forecast, after those showers early, we're going to be much colder here over the weekend. We're going to spend at least 2 nights there in the 30s, if not a third, Sunday night and a Monday morning. It'll take us several days there to get back in the 70s by Wednesday.